Having trouble connecting your Shopify card reader? A quick reset might be all you need. If you have a Wisepad 3, just check your device for the pinhole location on the side. That's your reset pinhole. Grab a paper clip and gently push it into the hole. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. You'll know it worked when you release the paper clip and the reader beeps and the screen restarts. For best results, try forgetting the reader in your Bluetooth settings before doing the reset. First, go to your device's settings app and tap Bluetooth. Find your hardware device in the list, tap the information icon, and select Forget this device. If you're using an Android device, the process is similar. Open your Bluetooth settings, select the device, and unpair. Once the reader has been forgotten and reset with a paperclip, pair it again through your POS app. First, open Shopify POS, tap the connectivity menu, then set up another device. Then tap Card Reader, and lastly, select your specific model. Follow the remaining prompts specific to your hardware.